Are you an IT professional navigating the world of machine learning? Are you keen on understanding the security implications surrounding this powerful technology? Or perhaps a cybersecurity expert eager to dive deep into the intersections with machine learning? Welcome to Cybersecurity for Machine Learning training. In this training, we demystify the complex landscape of threats, vulnerabilities, and defenses that permeate the ML domain. This training covers everything from understanding vulnerabilities in ML systems, safeguarding data and model integrity, to ensuring compliance with evolving legal frameworks. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.